All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts.
It was a lover and his lass, with a hay and a hoe, and a hay on he know that o'er the green cornfield did pass. In springtime, the only pretty ring time, when birds do sing a ding-a-ding, ding. Sweet lovers
Then
love
can no
spring.
horse with my desire keep pace. Therefore desire, of perfect love being made, shall neigh no dull flesh in his fiery race, but love for love thus shall
Between the
excuse
acres
my
of the
jade.
Rhine, with the hay and a hoe, and a hay on he know, these pretty country folks would lie. In springtime, the only pretty ring time, when birds do sing a ding-a-ding, ding. Sweet lovers love the spring. This carol they began that hour, with the hay and a hoe, and a hay on he know how that life was but a flower. In springtime, the only pretty ring time, when birds do sing a ding-a-ding, ding. Sweet lovers love the spring.
Give me, oh tell me not of fear, or walk in thievish ways, or bid me lurk where serpents are. Things that, to hear them told, have made me tremble, and I will do it without fear or doubt, to live an unstained wife to my sweet love.
And therefore take the present time, with the hay and a hoe, and a hay down he know, the love is crowded with the prime. In springtime, the only pretty ring time, when birds do sing a ding-a-ding, ding. Sweet lovers love spring.
But soft, what light through yonder window breaks? It is the east, and Juliet is the sun. Arise, fair sun.
And therefore take the present time, with the hay and a hoe, and a hay down he know, the love is crowded with the pride. In springtime, the only pretty ring time, when birds do sing a ding-a-ding, ding. Sweet lovers love spring.
Whiles a wedding hymn we sing, feed yourselves with questioning, that reason wonder may diminish how thus we met, and these things finish.
Since from thee going he went wilful slow, towards thee I'll run, and give him leave.